Welcome back, Michael. Oh, is that for me?
After hours, step by
Hope you had a good run.
streetlight glow, easy breath.
Whoa, check out this mud. Fabric and soil level check completed. I'll wash it and dry it clean to match this fabric.
A balanced diet keeps you healthy. A chicken poke? Good.
Bixby, open the fridge door.
Shadows stretch along the walls. Slow mo, feel it slide. City got that late night vibe. Feel the power.
Running was worth it.
Stays like
I'll quickly cool down the stuffy room for you.
after hours, move it slow.
Switching to silent WindFreemode so it won't disturb your shoot. Oh, we can edit that out.
Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.